Hey everyone, set up all your cars. This is our 2017 Seat Leon, 2 litre TDI FR, 184 bhp, done 86,000 miles with 6 services, finished in Nevada white with the techy cloth. Facelift car, ULEZ compliant, great spec, got the LED lights, the 18-inch performance alloys, privacy glass. Nevada white is the metallic, so it's not the solid plain white that you get. Rear parking sensors. The reg number is there for any checks that you guys may wish to carry out yourselves at home. Just have brand new tyres, discs and pads on the back. Clean as a whistle. 2 keys, comes with a warranty, etc. All very clean inside. Got your split fold rear seats in the boot with your parcel shelf, and we have got the rubber all-season mats with it. The techy cloth is all clean and tidy. You've got Isofix in the back and rear electric windows. Same in the front. All nice and clean with the ambient light pack, folding mirrors, electric windows, etc. Three-spoke multifunction steering wheel with paddles. 86,372 on the miles. I'll just fire up for you. There you go, all starts without fault. No issues. Properly nice car. Cruise control just there. Big screen media station or centre in the middle, look, with your DAB radio. Has got the phone connectivity, full link, Android Auto, CarPlay, MirrorLink. Yeah. You got your DAB radio, your Bluetooth audio, etc. Bluetooth audio, CD, SD, etc. Your navigation. Full link, vehicle settings. Your aircon. Good system these, very user friendly. We've got driver modes as well. So you can have eco, normal, sport, or set it how you want it. I'll just put it back into normal. There we go. Dual climate control. Electronic handbrake with auto hold, cup holders, etc. in the centre. Bit of storage in your armrest. Very nice, clean car. As I say, it comes with an MOT service, 3-month warranty. Just had discs and pads and tyres on the back. Finance is available. We work with a number of lenders and brokers to help you guys get the best deals that we can, and we are, of course, fully FCA regulated. So please do give us a call. We'll book you in for a test drive on 01509 260 111. Cheers for watching.